Hello, viewers. Welcome back to Explore the Techie Friend. We have already learned about noun, common noun, and proper noun. English language is simple for those who have already learned and complex for those who are learning. But we should never stop learning. As you know, small droplets make an ocean. Similarly, we get complete hold of English language by learning one by one every day. Learning from Telugu to English is little easy. I will post a translation topic very soon. Let's see two more nouns today, countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. The nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, pencils, pens, books, students, audience, etc. Many things that we see around can be counted. They can be one or many. Teachers, doctors, students, and many more people are countable. So all that we can count come under countable nouns. See here, we have 3 glasses of water. Well, did you ever try saying 3 waters? You should not. Glasses can be counted, but water cannot. So here, the nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, water, juice, any liquid, sand, stars, flour, etc. Liquids, sugar, salt, rice, all these things cannot be counted. They can just be measured. If you are referring to a single chair, we say that there is a chair in the lawn. If there are many, we say chairs. So we add s or es for the countable nouns which are more than one. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. For example, a chair, many chairs, few chairs, a few chairs. These are the words that we use for countable nouns which are in plural form. We read many books to get information. Can you count information? We cannot. Uncountable nouns have only singular form. We must not add s or es for uncountable nouns. For example, much information, little information, a little bit of information. But as native Telugu speakers, we have a lot of confusion when to use much, when to use many, when to use little, and when to use few and many more. So here I have a clue for you. Do you want to avoid confusion between countable and uncountable nouns? There are few words that are suitable for both countable and uncountable nouns. Using the below stated words make both countable and uncountable nouns error-free. See here the, some, any, no, enough, plenty of, and lot of. For example, the information, the chairs. Some information, some chairs. Any information, any chairs. No information, no chairs. Enough information, enough chairs. Plenty of information, plenty of chairs. Lot of information, lot of chairs. It's well and good if you get to know when to use many and much. These words fit pretty well for countable and uncountable nouns. I kept the books on the table. I can even say I kept 4 books on the table. I kept some books on the table. This way. Do you have any information about the arrival of next bus? సాధారణంగా మనం వాటర్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు తెలుగులో నీళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి అంటాం. అదే ఇంగ్లీష్లో వాటర్కి ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్ లేదు. తెలుగుని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా ఇంగ్లీష్లో ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసామనుకోండి, ఇలాంటి మిస్టేక్సే జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. అలా జరగకుండా ఉండాలంటే ద, సమ్, ఎనీ, నో, ఎనఫ్, ప్లెంటీ ఆఫ్ అండ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్. ఈ వర్డ్స్ని కరెక్ట్గా వాడడం నేర్చుకోండి. ఇది నేర్చుకుంటే మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్లో సాధ్యమైనంత వరకు కౌంటబుల్ అన్కౌంటబుల్ నౌన్స్ ప్రకారం మిస్టేక్స్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉండదు. సో ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి, రిలేటివ్స్కి, ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోవాలని ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న ప్రతి వారికి షేర్ చేయండి. ట్రై టు స్పీక్ 10 sentences daily to improve your English. Speak to yourself before you speak to others in English. That is the right way to speak English for the beginners. Well, subscribers అనేది కౌంటబుల్ నౌనా అన్కౌంటబుల్ నౌనా? వీడియో చూశారు కదా, తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి, రిలేటివ్స్కి అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.